Hi, welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. I'm a registered dietitian. So today I wanted to add on to my mango video and my chip video. I've been wanting to make refried beans from scratch for a while, so today I'm going to work on that. I know you can do this in the crock pot, but I'm going to go ahead and do it in the pressure cooker. The pressure cookers are really popular right now, and I like experimenting with them. So I'm going to make the refried beans in the pressure cooker and show you how it works. Okay, to start off with, I have my pressure cooker on the Sauté setting, so it's nice and warm, and I've added my oil, and now I'm adding some onions, and I just want to saute those onions down a couple minutes till they're a little bit translucent. I'm adding a little pepper. I want to give them another stir just for a couple minutes. I'm going to add in a couple teaspoons of minced garlic and stir that in and just let the garlic and onions cook for a minute. So now I'm adding my spices. So I'm doing a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, quarter teaspoon of cayenne, and I'll put all those in the description, but really you can add whatever spices you want to that sound like they'd be good in refried beans or in chili. Kind of up to you what you want to put in there. Okay, so my onions are nice and cooked, and now I am adding the liquid to my pressure cooker. So I'm putting in 7 cups of liquid. I'm doing 3 cups of water and then 4 cups of broth. You can kind of mix that up and do what you like. I'm using some chicken bouillon, but if you have stock on hand or broth on hand, any of those things will work just fine. You just need to make sure that you've got plenty of liquid in your pressure cooker. There, I'm adding my chicken bouillon. And now I'm adding a pound of beans, a pound of dry beans. Again, you can kind of mix this up. I had several partial bags of dry beans, so I just mixed those together until I got a pound. But you can use black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans. That was kind of the combination that I used. I think typically people use black beans, but I wanted to use up my partial bags. So now I'm putting the lid on my pressure cooker, making sure that it's set to the pressure setting. And then we're going to cook these at high pressure for 35 minutes. And I'm releasing the pressure. And once that's fully released, you can take your lid off. And you have some nice soft cooked beans. So I drained the liquid off the beans, and I kept about 2 cups of liquid, reserved 2 cups of the liquid just for in case I needed it for when I go ahead and blend my beans. I'm going to use an immersion blender. If they're cooked soft enough, you could sure use a potato masher, but I thought the immersion blender would be easy to use. Need to add some liquid in there to get things going. And then it's kind of up to you what texture you want. If you want, some whole beans left in there, that would be delicious. I just kept kind of stirring until I got a nice refried bean texture. And then just keep adding liquid as you need so that it keeps mixing. Here's a finished product of the refried beans looking delicious. And I will put a recipe in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel.